that's what I do. I'm a filmmaker, and much of what you see is good casting. It's like casting like in a feature film. And the moment I met Clive Oppenheimer, years before that on Mount Erebus in Antarctica, I immediately had the feeling this is a man who should be in a film of mine. And we started to talk, but very vaguely, oh, we should do a film together one day about volcanoes, until it became, all of a sudden, it acquired urgency. So the leading, or the presenter of the film, the volcanologist, is very, very well cast. So, and all the other people that we found, for example, in Vanuatu, in all other parts where we filmed, were carefully selected persons. It's not that I kept rolling a camera forever. And it's the same thing you can see, for example, in Grizzly Man. Is it playing tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow, because the selection of persons with whom I'm filming is very carefully done. And same thing in all the films about death row inmates in Texas, and two of them in Florida. The persons with whom I'm filming, those who are waiting for their execution, is very, very precisely and carefully done. So it's something that you have to have in you, or you have to learn it somehow when you make films. Otherwise, you would never really understand what filmmaking is all about. If you do not understand the process of casting, and if you do not see something very special in a face, in a character, in a person, then you will never get anywhere. Thank you for coming.